Hello and welcome to Wiki Tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore your iPhone from iTunes. If you have a not working iPhone or any problem with your iPhone, you can restore it with iTunes. Just connect the cable to the computer or laptop and open iTunes on the laptop and then connect the cable to your iPhone. Once you connected the cable, just click and hold power button and the home button together and keep holding them. Keep holding them until you see the iTunes sign and the cable on the iPhone screen. And then let go. For now, as you can see, when it shows up the iTunes sign and the cable on my iPhone screen, it take me to this. There is a problem with the iPhone that require to be updated or restored. If I want to update, just update or restore, I click. I can also click close and then, okay, not working, close, sorry. If I have the iOS already downloaded, I can click shift and restore. It will take me to where I saved the iOS. And if I don't have the iOS, restore iPhone, it will download the iOS from the Apple. For now, click restore iPhone. I already have the iOS downloaded. Are you sure you want to restore your iPhone? Click restore and update. And then if you don't have, you should download and then extracting software. For now I have it, so extracting software for now. Just wait. From this on I don't have to do anything, just wait. Wait for extracting and then wait for preparing to be restored and then restore the last one. Okay, now it's extracting the software, preparing now and waiting for iPhone. Preparing iPhone for software for now. You don't have to do anything, just keep waiting. It's so simple and nothing hard about it. Just take few times, like 5 minutes or so, to get your iPhone as new. After this, waiting for iPhone, it will say restore the iPhone and then it will start restoring and then it should restore the iPhone, preparing now, and then you just have to wait to the sign of Apple and open the iPhone again and wait to the sign that says hello. Open the iPhone and just follow the steps, choose language and region and country, and then WIFI and the your Apple ID and password, and there you go. You have the new iPhone. I won't wait till the iPhone restored cause it takes so long, but this is how to do it. It's so simple and easy, and you don't have to do anything from now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in another video.